Still just adjusting. Probably been home half an hour now. Go poop. They're so pretty. This bird is soft as silk. I don't think it's because she's a baby. I think that's kind of how people refer to them. Feathers are so soft. Aren't they? Aren't they, pretty girl? Ooh. You singing? You bopping? Hello. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Okay. Bye-bye.